Do we need HCG? This is Steven's question. Do we need HCG when we're taking TRT at 120 milligrams per week at 31 years old? I'll tell you what I would do, because everybody's different. I would take HCG, but I would just take it for maybe 500 IU, maybe 3 times in a row, every other day or every other 2 days, once a month. Just little bursts of HCG, just to prevent any potential atrophy from building up. But at 120 milligrams of testosterone per week, that's not going to suppress natural testosterone a lot. I mean, it depends on so many factors, but also at 31 years old, I don't think it's going to suppress it. So you could get away without HCG. Any other thing to add, Trevor?
No, I think doing it the way you just said is probably the best. Just keeping an unnatural amount of testosterone constantly in the body, it can lower it, which is why what he says, doing that once a month, you're going to have no problem. And it'll make it much, if you ever had to recover in the future, much easier.